Greetings, everyone! Today I'm excited to share my journey of making sprouted bread using these wholesome ingredients. I've sprouted the grain. You can see the little shoots coming out on the grain there in this video. I grounded the flour, so I took these, what I have wheat berries here, and I made it into a flour. And then I use a fermentation starter to create this nutritious bread. That's the fermentation starter you see there. Sprouting grains unlock their full nutritional potential, making them easier to digest and more beneficial for our health. Grinding my own flour ensures that I will get the freshest and most nutrient-dense flour possible. Using a fermentation starter like you see here not only enhances the flavor but also boosts the bread's probiotic content, which is fantastic for gut health. Baking this bread has been a game changer for my gut issues. Fermented foods like this bread have significantly improved my digestive health. As you see here, I am greasing the pan with some coconut oil before I get ready to put the bread into the pan to bake it. This nutritious homemade sprouted bread is part of the reason I haven't been posting or going live as much. I've been focusing on my health and wellness journey. For all those of you looking to improve your immune health, incorporating fermented foods like this bread can make a big difference. To learn more, download my free ebook, 21 Holistic Immune Health Secrets, and stay tuned for my upcoming Holistic Immune Health Masterclass at www.keishachristian.com/classes. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share and follow for more health tips and recipes. See you soon.